Okay, good morning. I'm here to make a huge thank you to the PSG because back in October our water still broke down, and this was a huge disaster because it was just before the start of the biology individual IB investigations. So we were faced with having to purchase distilled water from the chemical company at huge expense, or buy a new machine, and we had no money. So we made an application to the PSG, and the PSG said yes, go and buy a new machine, and here it is. So thank you PSG. Okay, let me show you the difference between the regular tap water and the high quality distilled water produced by the water still. So this is distilled water. This is tap water. Oops. And let's just look at the colour. At the moment they're both colourless, but we'll do the chloride test. So I'm going to add some silver nitrate solution, which is the chloride test. It tests for chloride in water. Give it a little shake. And let's see if we can you see the difference? Can you see that the regular tap water is very slightly cloudy, but our high quality distilled water has not gone cloudy, so that's shown that there are no chloride ions present in the water.